Join me as I want to master 5 easy secrets to become a pro baker. I'm super excited to share these secrets, and they're going to take your baking skills to the next level. The biggest challenges bakers face is figuring out what's going wrong when their cakes don't turn out as expected. These secrets, designed to help you overcome common baking challenges for good results. First secret is to always use room temperature ingredients. Second secret is to never overmix your batter, especially if you're using a stand mixer. Third secret is to use the right type of flour. Fourth is to keep an eye on oven temperature. This can fluctuate and affect your baking results. Last one is to practice. 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 The more you bake, the better you'll get. Mastering these results better. Incorporating 5 easy secrets, you'll be producing professional quality cakes. For more baking tips and tricks, check the link in description. What's your favorite baking secret? Let me know in the comments below.